Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the cut page in DaVinci Resolve. Cut page and maybe the color page, okay? But mostly the cut page because for those of you guys that don't know, DaVinci Resolve for iPad is coming out soon and it will only have the cut page and the color page. So I want to see how the cut page works. Usually I default to the edit page usually. That's what I go to, but at the beginning at least, that's not going to exist on DaVinci Resolve for iPad. So I'm going to explore the cut page today. Let's start by hopefully dragging and dropping some media files in here. Okay, we were able to drag and drop a few things in just fine. Let's bring this dude here, I guess. Okay, so I'll be honest, okay, originally I'm using my mouse to scroll left and right here. I'll leave a link in the description below to the exact mouse I use. It's MX Logitech Master 3. It's actually very brilliant. But, okay, I'll be honest. I was one of the ones that at the beginning I was very off put by the idea that they would be giving us just the, cut page. I would like, yeah, give me the edit page. I don't use the cut page because I don't really know too much about how to use the cut page. But the more I look at it, the more it seems like one of the things that the concept, it shouldn't be such a hard concept for me to get. It is, but it shouldn't be. Okay, let's see. Import editor, sync clips. Okay, the bin list. Okay, see, what I'm looking for is something I cannot find at all. Okay, so this layout, we're going to go ahead, close this for a moment. This is the inspector. We're just going to close it. But this layout right here reminds me a lot of like LumaFusion, if you will. It's very odd because before LumaFusion or anything like that, I would have not recognized this layout at all in any way, shape, or form. But now I do. And here's what we were looking for, titles. Okay, so titles, okay, so this definitely makes sense that, they are bringing this tab in because this is basically like your basic setup, especially for mobile. So, okay. I'm starting to get a feel for it, okay, guys? And then for this title, we would actually have to go into the inspector, then type in DaVinci Resolve cut page, and then let's change the color to black, of course, and then we are going to go to settings, and then once we're at settings, we're going to change this position right here to go here so you guys can see it fully. DaVinci Resolve cut page. We're actually doing stuff on the cut page. I'm actually very surprised myself because it's not something I'd per se do. Let's see if this command works on the cut page. Half of my commands don't work on the cut page, but it's fine. I mean, the cut page doesn't need commands like that anyway, per se. Okay, so we got that the way we want to. Now we want to add an end. Okay, we want to add an end. So we should be able to just drag it to the end here. You guys might recognize this end because this is actually the end that is used for the end screen of my videos and whatnot. So that's there. And then what we could do, okay, so you know what? I take it back, okay? Originally, like I said, originally I was like, oh, how dare they even try to, give us only the cut page. They're only giving us half of the features. But, that was just me being, that was just me, being like one of those type of people, like, oh, they're not giving us the full version of Resolve, blah, blah, blah. When in reality, that's the full version. I don't know. I was just being weird. Although, with that said, oh, I was going to ask how you get to effects, but there's an effect tab right here. It's actually pretty crazy. Now, to be you guys who are still watching, let me know in the comment section below. Do you use cut regularly or do you use edit tab regularly? Because I'm always on the edit tab when I'm in Resolve. Actually, this is my first real experience actually editing with the cut page. And it's not too bad. Not too bad. I do, however, want to touch a little bit on the color tab because, color tab is also coming with the iPad version. Okay, so there we go. The color tab, just as we know, we can add nodes, we can, ooh, wait, that reminds me, LUTs. We will probably have to put some LUTs on our iPad. Okay, well, for now, let's just play around with the color here. We'll play around with the color of this, but one of my favorite parts of this is probably the fact that we'll get to use the Apple Pencil. Like, technically, I used the Apple Pencil when I put DaVinci Resolve on the iPad via sidecar. Sidecar. So yeah. Basically, I loaded it there. I was able to do that just fine. But, it wasn't 100%. This will be truly on the iPad. So, that means that the Apple Pencil will work, all that stuff. I'll be able to make adjustments here just fine. And, if I wanted more saturation for that there. Okay, see, technically, this does not look the best in the world color-wise, but the background doesn't look bad because it's a background for this now. So, yeah, and then, we'd bring the contrast up a little bit for, maybe not that much. The hair for this, bring the saturation down the hair, hue up a little bit, and just same old. Bring the saturation down a bit for this, and yeah, that would be that with that, and yeah. Let's go back to the cut page. I almost went back to the edit page. And we would be good to go with that. Honestly, this this would be something that's somewhat fine to just export. Speaking of exporting, oh, there's a quick export button here. Let's click on it and see what happens. Okay, so I clicked on it. It took me to here. I could export. Okay, so it looks like, yeah, okay. I might have to create a new quick export option, which I'm pretty sure I can do fairly easily. But yeah, here we go. This is the export option. Okay, well, anyway, I am going to end it here. It was an interesting experience using the cut tab. Now, I truly do think that it was a good call, them doing the cut page, because this is more recognizable to me with something like LumaFusion, which is very odd because I was one of those like, oh, the cut page can never measure up to the edit page. I don't know where I am, but after using LumaFusion and even iMovie on the iPad, I have a little bit of a better appreciation for it. I actually know what I'm doing to some degree. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.